Understanding string rattle, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase string rattle. This is a phrase that you might not come across every day, but it's interesting and has a specific context in which it's used. So, let's dive in and learn about string rattle together. String rattle refers to a buzzing or rattling sound made by a string, often in musical instruments like guitars. This usually happens when a string vibrates against a fret or an object, creating a distinctive sound. Understanding this phrase is important, especially if you're interested in music or learning about musical instruments. In everyday conversation, string rattle is mostly used in the context of music. For example, a guitarist might say, "I need to adjust my guitar to fix the string rattle." This phrase is not commonly used outside of this context, but it's a great example of how English has specific phrases for very particular situations. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use string rattle in sentences. 1. The guitar player paused the performance to address the string rattle. 2. I took my violin to the shop because there was a persistent string rattle. 3. Learning to minimize string rattle can improve your guitar playing skills. These examples help illustrate the practical application of the phrase in everyday language, particularly in a musical setting. And that's a wrap on string rattle. I hope this video has been enlightening and has added a new phrase to your English vocabulary, especially if you're a music enthusiast. As always, keep practicing, and don't hesitate to explore more such interesting phrases in the English language. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.